But I mean, I have to be honest with you. As a Ginebra fan, okay, kabig na naman. Ginebra, masaya na naman.
Yes.
Lalo na rookie, no? Ang lalaki ng mga potential, ang gagaling ng mga players yata compared to this draft. But unfortunately, ang nakakalungkot dito, kakagawa lang nila ng rule na bawal i-trade yung rookie. Pero parang nakaisip na sila ng paraan. Oh, habang hindi pa rookie, i-trade mo na. Pick pa
Yeah.
lang, i-trade mo na. So yung first pick parang medyo parang feeling ko tuloy ang baguhin na lang yung rule, yung Terra Firma na lang kaya ang bawal mag-trade. It seems like Terra Firma do not know. I'm sorry po Terra Firma, I will trade for the asset, but I do not understand what's the goal of Terra Firma.
What kind of team are you? What kind of trade is this? So, if you are looking for lack of parity in the PBA, you don't have to look far. Dadagdagan na naman. Di ba? So, yun ang problema ng PBA. There's no check and balances, and teams can just build and build at the expense of the weaker teams.